Industries have been blessing for India, for the country. These have to develop due to production. Consumers get consumer items. So this government, public and industries have to coexist. They have to cooperate each other. If industries don't get support from the government and from the public, they can't carry on their business. They can't carry on production. In fact, I had been posted to Damandev as a police chief also. There also a lot of industries are there in Silvassa, Daman and all those places. I was in Pondicherry. There was also very big industrial estates. I have good contact with all industrialists of areas. As well as Delhi, mostly industrialists, they stay and some industries are also. I have seen many industries also, myself. The way they are working with dedication for this country, it is really appreciable.
That this industrial estate becomes one of the unique industrial estate wherein there won't be any labor issues, and the atmosphere in which the people can work will be more pleasant. So as CM also announced during his budget speech that he will be supporting the workmen housing in the industrial estate, and to make that dream come true, we as a Verna want to take up first the pilot project of creating that housing facility for the people who are being not treated as well, and because we are using them and they are not being given that kind of dignity when they work. So we want to create a better place for them also, and we want to create a very good atmosphere for the industry to prosper. We want to be part of all the policies that government is coming for the industry, and as a whole we want to get this Goa to a prosperous state. Thank you. So आता कितें जाता पळय बेसिकली जेन्ना हांव GSI प्रेसिडेंटशीप घेतली, मेन म्हजें हें आशिल्लें कितें, म्हाका डिसिजन मेकिंग इन GIDC जाय आशिल्लें. कित्याक GIDC कडेन आमचे खूब फावटी इश्यू जाता, बिकॉज दॅट इज द मेन बॉडी वी आर कम्युनिकेटिंग ऑलवेज. And now we have taken up an initiative to put all their services online and to give their service to all the industry, because every time industry has to spend lot of time going to GIDC, and for a silly things like getting a NOC and all, it takes so much time and your valuable time, So if we get all these facilities online in our desk, we can operate, and it will be a very transparent thing also.
We founded this association 25 years back, and it was actually decided in my cabin in Dilling that time, and we had meeting of 12 people. It started with 12 people, and I recall them today: Amol Prabhu, Bhaduria, Sarda and other friends. We decided to have a very vibrant association, and I took a lead in this, and we really created one of the best association, I must say. At that time, we were the first to have a Verna Industries Association web page. No other association in India had it. So in 1997, we had first Baya.org was our website. We played a pivotal role in transforming the industrial scenario of Goa. I must tell Verna Industries Association, if at all the telecom revolution happened in Goa, it is due to Verna Industries Association, where we got Mr. Jagmohan here, and he got all those internet facilities, the networking, optical fiber cable for the state. So many things happened. We fought for the betterment of the infrastructure and quality of industries in Verna Electronic City.
See, what we are looking for, this COVID scenario was a very trying time for everybody. It's not only industry, local people, government, everybody at a trying time, but it brought all of us together. The kind of synergy we saw in the last 2 years, we've not seen it in the past. But going ahead, hoping that the pandemic goes down, what we have in mind, all of us as a core team, is to make Verna a model estate. It's not only related to greenery and visuals. We want to get rid of garbage, contribute to society into waste management, make it self-reliant. Why does the industry need to come to a place? Basically to see that the place comes up alive. It's through indirect or direct employment of people, revenue generation for the state, not just India in particular, but for the state. So that is one contribution, and I have with me a very dynamic secretary, who is always passionate about giving life to the place. And he himself has been working a lot for other parts of Goa. So along with this contribution, you can already see in the start of the industrial estate, it's got a different look. People come from outside and they say, are we in India or are we in Europe? That kind of a look Sarvesh has helped build. And we are looking forward to building this.